Updated and remodeled home. Minutes from the Chesapeake Bay. Beautiful water views and you can see the bay from the pier. Fantastic wildlife, natural setting. Bring your Carolina skiff and kayaks/canoes. Features pier and boat lift. Great crabbing and fishing here. Jet ski, water ski, beautiful custom cherry kitchen. Lots of glass lets the outside in. Bonus, very large deck on waterside. Plenty of breezes. Private master suite. 2 newly remodeled bathrooms. Whole house generator conveys. Dining room looks out over the water. Very well appointed family room/Florida room. High-speed internet and dish TV. Double dishwasher conveys. Too much to list here. Must see. Call for appointment.